So in November 19, 2017, the Lord gave me a dream. It's a very short dream, but it gets right to the point. So in the beginning, all I could remember is there was a school. There was two schools actually. One school for the gifted, which are kids with superpowers, and there was a school for the ungifted, which are just normal kids. And when you looked in the sky, it looked like two big planets. So one planet it had the sun, and in front of the sun was either the moon or the planet covering it, and the other was just one huge planet, and it started to be like not really started to be. It was normal for everyone to see. So anytime people would wake up or go to work, they would see two big planets, and they wouldn't really consider anything because it wasn't really affecting them. The sky was still blue, and there was still sunshine and blue skies. So the next scene was my family and I were going on a road trip, and there were two planets again, the same thing. The sun being behind a planet or a moon, and another planet. Both were still dark. And so I started to play hangman with my sister. I lined 15 lines, and she had to spell 3 days of darkness. And when she wrote that, the planet started to expand bigger and bigger and bigger. And I knew the next event would be the 3 days of darkness. So this is what I drew. This is how it looked like. This is the sun behind a planet, and beside it was one big gigantic planet or a moon. I don't know what it was, but that's what I dreamed, and it was just standing there, and no one would say or do anything. Yeah, so I believe the Lord is telling me that people are just going out and about their days, not really caring what the Lord is showing them. I mean, the Lord gave them a solar eclipse. The Lord is showing them natural disasters. People don't really seem to know that the Lord is coming. Like in my dream, people saw the planets and they didn't even consider anything. They were just, that's weird, and they just went on their day. But then until the planets started getting bigger and bigger, I saw how it was going to expand. I saw how it was going to cover the whole planet. That's when that's when I knew that this is the 3 days of darkness. So I believe the Lord is telling me that the next event in His calendar is the 3 days of darkness. All right. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.